Lean back and go. Fucking hurt your legs like that today.
On the right? Alright.
So I'll do all the work, man. Fine.
Yeah, man. I'll take over.
Oh, nice one, dude. Is that actually filming?
Yeah, man, it's filming.
Hey, yes, boys. Whoa, bro! Look at this. I don't know if I want the responsibility of holding this. I might drop it. Oh, we're coming in hot. Fucking hell. Jesus. Yeah, dude.
Sorry, mate.